Happy morning children. Today English class for grade 5. In English class in this video we are going to revise about two poems. Here poem Teamwork and then next one My Shadow. In this video we are going to revise about this. Shall I start children? First we will see about teamwork. Shall I start? Here already we have discussed about this teamwork. In this video just I will give short summary for that. Okay children? The poem of Teamwork written by Jan Negro is an important person. It teaches us about the significance of teamwork. Moreover, we learn about how it can benefit us in many ways. The poem cites examples of various sports. It makes it easier to understand the essence of teamwork. This way, we can all work together for the greater good. The poem promotes the spirit of teamwork and its benefits as well. It begins by telling us about how teamwork can contribute to making our dreams come true. As we all know, teamwork requires the effort of everyone. When we see a dream, we want to achieve it. Teamwork can help us in achieving it well. Moreover, the joy that we get after achieving our dream, we share that as well. And that sharing also brings happiness for everyone. Thus, everyone celebrating the victory of teamwork will be great. Further, the poem moves on to the game of basketball. It tells us that to score a basket, everyone needs to work together. When the basketball goes through the hoop, it is the effort of everyone on the team. For if people do not pass the ball, no one will be able to shoot it in the basket. Similarly, the poem also gives the example of a relay race. In the relay, one person has to pass the baton to the other. However, if any one player decides not to do it, then they won't be able to succeed. Thus, teamwork matters a lot in every situation. The poem concludes by telling us that we all parts of one whole. No person is bigger or smaller. Everyone has their respective roles to play. Even if one person do not play their part, there won't be a whole. So, when everyone comes together to achieve a common goal, it will be better. This way, everyone will have the same purpose and do their jobs equally. So, it says that you and I become us, which is the basis of teamwork. Here, new words and its meaning. First one, teamwork. Combined effort of a group. Next, hoop. Here, wooden or iron ring trundled along by child. Pauses, move onward. Relay race, race between team of which each person does part of the distance. Baton, short tube or stick carried in relay race. Next, complete the following sentences. First one, if nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't shoot. Ace. Second one, in a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then a relay race cannot go on. Then next, here think and write. Name the team members needed for the following. You have to listen carefully. This is okay. Here first one, to play cricket we need batsmen, bowlers, fielders, coaches. And then second one, to make a film we need directors, actors, viewers. Here third one, to run a good school we need principal, teachers, peon, students. Fourth one, to run a restaurant we need manager, cooks, waiters, customers, dinners. Here, complete the sets of rhyming words. One has been done for you. Yes, exactly. Words from the poem. Your own words. Here, you want to write. Already one has been done for you. Team, beam. Next, here. Plus, bus. Done, gun. Hoop, loop. Shoot, root. Goal, soul. Joy, toy. Here worksheet 3 for you from your English practice book. Here exercise A, answer the following questions. First one, what does the team have its eyes on? The team has its eyes on a common goal. Second one, teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Here, how do you think you can get a work done through teamwork? Explain with reference to the given context. Here answer for you. By working together as part of a team, people can make up for the shortcoming of each other and achieving the common goal. Next, exercise B, fill in the blanks. First one, a relay race cannot go on without pausing a baton. Second one, together people can have joy of what they have done. Third one, it is fun to shoot the basketball through a hoop. Fourth one, together we can make our dream work. Fifth one, sometimes teamwork can be a big plus. Next, take your English CW, English classwork note. Here synonyms for you. Hard, difficult, happy, cheerful, bright, dazzling, ability, capacity, adjust, arrange. Next, antonyms. Rare, common, essential, unimportant, panic, bold, public, private. Remember, forget. Next, write the past and past participle forms of the following verbs. Here, irregular verbs for you. Present, past and past participle, 3 forms. First one, fly, flew, flown, leave, left, left, bleed, bled, bled, withdraw, withdraw, withdrawn, ride, rode, ridden. Next, answer the following questions for you. First one, what is a teamwork? Teamwork is the collaborative effort of a group to achieve a common goal or to complete a task in the most effective and efficient way. Second one, who had written the poem Teamwork? The poem Teamwork had written by Jan Negro. Third one, what is a good team motto? Team means together everyone achieves more. Fourth one, what are the qualities of good teamwork? Here, first one, clear direction, common goals, and open communication. Fifth one, what is the importance of teamwork? Teamwork motivates unity. Teamwork brings new ideas. It helps to solve problems. Here, we are going to see the summary of the poem, My Shadow. In this poem, the poet is saying that he has a little reflection of him, which is the shadow that follows of him wherever he goes. The poet is not able to understand the use of shadow except that shadow follows him everywhere. Here the poet is saying that reflection is totally like poet from head to toe. And whenever he goes to sleep, his reflection jumps and hops into the bed before him. The poet finds it very funny or strange the way shadow increases in size. The shadow grows immediately, whereas children take time to grow up. Here the poet is comparing the shadow with Indian rubber ball because the rubber ball bounces up and down. Similarly, shadow grows big and small. And on sometimes the shadow becomes so tiny or small that seems like nothing is there. One morning, the poet woke up before everyone, even before the sun. And what he saw drops of water on yellow flowers. Children, you must have also seen drops of water on flowers early in the morning. If not, try wake up early and see. Here poet is saying that in the morning, his shadow become lazy and bad one. Who wants to sleep more? The poet is saying when in morning he was out, shadow remained at home and was sleeping in the bed. Here, next fill in the blanks using one of the words given in the brackets. Here first one, where is the child whose parents have come to school? Here answer is whose. Second one, I saw many houses which were quite spacious. Here answer is which. Third one, mathematics, which is my favorite subject, is so interesting. Your answer is which. Fourth one, the poem that you read out is so lovely. Your answer is that. Fifth one, I know the street that he lives on. Your answer is that. Sixth one, I like reading books which have pictures in it. Your answer is which. Seventh one, the old lady whom I met in your house is my neighbor. Your answer is whom. Here, worksheet 5 for you from your English practice book. Your exercise here, answer the following questions. First one, what is the funniest thing about a shadow? Here answer for you. The funniest things about a shadow is the way it likes to grow. Here second question for you. One morning very early before the sun I was up. I rose and found the shiny dew on every buttercup but my lazy little shadow like an errant sleepyhead. had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Here, question A. What did the poet find when he got up? Answer for you. The poet found that there was shining dew on every buttercup when he get up. Next B. Whom does he refers to as errant sleepyhead and why? Answer for you. He refers to his own shadow as an errant sleepyhead because it stayed home behind him and was fast asleep. Here exercise B. Write true or false for the statements given below. First one, the shadow goes in and out with the poet. True. Second one, the poet doesn't see the shadow when he jumps into his bed. False. Third one, the shadow sometimes shoots a tall like an India rubber ball. True. Fourth one morning the poet got up very late. False. Fifth one, the poet's shadow was fast asleep in bed. True. Here, next take your English CW. Okay, here my shadow. Synonyms: exact, specific, irrelevant, useless, ecstasy, delight, grisly, disgusting, insipid, tasteless. Next, antonyms: abortive, successful, boundless, limited, capable, incapable, dawn, sunset, elementary, advanced. Next, Roman number 3. Write the past and past participle forms of the following verbs. Here, present, past and past participle 3 forms are there. Here, first one, burst, burst, burst. Drive, drove, driven. Forgive, forgive, forgiven. Grin, ground, ground. Hold, held, held. Meet, met, met. Lost, lost, lost. Here, fourth one, fill in the blanks using the correct forms of words given in the help box. Here, this is the help box. Full, foolish, big, bigger, taller, tallest, sick, sickly, young, younger. First one, my shadow is A is taller in the morning. Second one, I went to visit my sick cousin. Third one, a wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. Fourth one, I need a big table. Fifth one, my sister is younger than me. Next, rhyming words for you. Me, see. Head, bed. Bro, slow. Ball, all. Up, buttercup. Next, answer the following. Who had written the poem My Shadow? The Robert Louis Stevenson had written the poem My Shadow. Second one, what is the theme of the poem My Shadow? My Shadow theme is about how little children are fascinated with unknown things and it displays their naivety and innocence in an adorable manner. Okay children, just you have to revise these questions and answers and book back exercises and summary of the poems. Okay, we will see in our next video. Thank you.